got it. How are you gonna get that angle? It's a very nice bolt.
ARP.
Looks like it.
No expense spared on this car, Clayton.
Quick, Chris.
I'm not doing anything.
You're gonna try and do something.
You're gonna cut your hand. I'd be on that side.
Please.
All right. So get cut then. Told you.
There you go, Clayton. She's loose.
Did you hold the tire for him?
Yeah.
Clayton wore work boots. You're gonna pull this shit out of the way. And then you get this tire.
What do you want to do right now?
Oh yeah.
What do you want me to pull?
I'm gonna pull this shit and when I'll get the wheel. Corey, get this wheel.
What?
Grab this wheel. The carbon tubs on it. I think this might be clear. Here, Corey, you can help me out.
I guess the bro, dude. I guess I did it.
Okay. Get that carbon tub.
Oh, there she is.
Angle it.
Angle.
Whoa.
Angle.
Look at that.
Cut off wheel.
Huh?
I wouldn't cut it. Cut off wheel.
That? Why you fucking up on me all crazy?
I'm gonna do one. I'll go home.
I'm not saying anything to you.
Or you get us kisses.
The worst thing is that robo. You got the 916 stuff, quick?
Yeah.
Let me back up.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, there's no, what is that? Oh, it's threaded.
It's a nut.
No, it's not.
You think? I put it on there.
Oh, your wrench is already on there.
Oh, yeah, it is. There's a bunch of spacers and shit that will fall out like a fucking chain in your pocket and catch them all. You still got a load on it. Hey, jack that thing up. Give it a little pumper. Cool. Is the nut off of it?
Get up close and personal, Corey.
Corey's no way. Don't matter no more.
Alright, we're gonna
Other car got them.
hold on. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Got the nut in the face. The roll bar cost more than the car did. Why is it? Ow, fuck, that thing's sharp.
How's it going?
How'd that hit me?
Still
Hey, Corey, look, the whole fender's loose.
Oh shit.
Look, even there. Oh, I got a set of carbon wheel tubs. You ever seen one, Corey?
What?
You ever seen the sidewall to slip? That's all there is.
So I was putting it on.
You what?
With all those towels in it. It's confusing me. Wow,
What are you doing? Get that on there. Oh, axle come out.
what?
The axle coming out of that fucking thing.
With a wheel spacer on?
All you gotta do is take that off and here, check it. See? That's the axle. Floater. It's cool, isn't
This
it?
holds on. We want to put some nuts on it to hold it in so it doesn't leak everywhere.
That might be a good idea.
Whatever you want.
4. Like, oh, right on loose. Oh. Ow.
Hold on.
I could here if you want.
Quit
That's
yelling.
my little bracket.
Quit yelling.
I'm not yelling.
Can you guys hurry up? I'm ready with mine.
No, you're not.
Literally just sitting here waiting for you guys.
You ain't got nothing. Here, do it. Use it. Use it.
How are you expecting me to do that?
See?
God
Oh,
damn.
God, that thing's fucked up. That thing was in a bind bad.
Fucking you hit me.
Shocks are loose, roll bars loose, shock sensors loose. We gotta get Clayton's drive shaft loose, he didn't finish.
Huh? I did. You can't take them out.
Oh, half-ass Clayton over there.
They're always ready, man. So all we lack is the wishbone.
Yep.
You just gonna slide it out of the deal?
I don't know.
You know what I'm saying?
All muscles over here got it.
Get it?
Yeah, he got it.
What if it's too long?
It probably is.
It's a very nice bolt.
ARP.
Looks like it.
No expense spared on this car, Clayton.
I think we definitely ought to scoop
Pick it
up.
back up and move it back.
Back!
Yeah, because it's definitely
Oh,
leaning.
shit.
You can brake fluid on it?
No, I got a brake pad on it.
I told you not to lean it like
You
that.
half-ass
Shit
and
fall
scrap
out.
and shit, sons of bitch.
We probably need to scoop that. This thing's gonna fall out of here.
Only their feet.
No, it's way too.
Gosh, yeah, still holding it.
For now.
What?
Clayton half-ass that. What?
I got my side.
I got my side.
Don't let it fall.
It's not very well balanced.
It's not heavy.
Hold on.
I'll carry it.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, y'all.
Is that you?
The drive shaft.
straight.
The drive shaft's not out of it.
Hey, Clayton, fix all that over there. Your side's all fucked off like how it was on Sunday.
What do you want me to do?
Get that shit out
Hang
of
on,
there.
hang on. We got it. What the fuck is this?
You got it's the overflow.
It's got
It's
like
the-
10 zip ties on it.
No, don't just push the line and pull the line out of it. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Holy shit.
Yeah, this thing doesn't balance very well.
Look at that. It broke that yoke. Did you see that? Look, it broke that whole fucking yoke.
Yeah, I know.
Corey,
It
check
just
it.
fell off right with
Look
it.
at that, dude. There you go. Look. It's brokey. Clayton did that.
Take her down.
Yeah, take her down now.
Down. I'm doing it, goddammit. Give me a second.
Come on.
Everything loose?
No? Yeah, she's good. We're way down there.
Her weighs more than 150 pounds.
No, it don't.
It's not light.
It is too. It's fucking aluminum.
But it's a lot of it. I'm not disagreeing with you. Just,
What?
Is he gonna fall off the shit?
Yeah. You
I
gotta hold
spin
it.
it back your way.
I'm drinking beer. Watch you hold that.
Here.
You want to sit on the ground somewhere? Well, Bacon's get up.
Just grab it and pick it up.
Shut up.
You grab it. Is it heavy?
Look at that. You're gonna do something.
Pick it up, you fucking girl. Right.
You don't do that, goddamn.
What are you doing? It's not heavy. Stand it up.